today I'm going to show you how to remove dark circles from your under eye in Photoshop in just 1 minute. So first go to the layer, select the background colored layer and then press Ctrl plus J to make a copy of it and select the original layer and create a new layer between them. And now select the copy layer and go to the filter and convert to the smart filter, and then again go to the filter other and high pass. Give it a radius just like I give it a 5.5 pixels and press OK. And in the layer panel, create a clip mask of these layers. Select the copy layer and change its blending mode to the overlay. Select this layer and pick a eyedropper and make sure the sample is current and below and the sample size is 5 by 5 average. Select the brush tool and press Alt and select the color sample from wherever you want to and start brushing. And keep on doing it and you can easily remove the dark circles in just 1 minute in Photoshop.